Guys, I'm coming to you today with another very important bullish breaking news for Bitcoin. Well, do you guys remember how BlackRock was going to now hopefully launch their own Bitcoin spot ETF, which is actually rumored to be decided by the SEC in the upcoming 40 days, which is, well, incredibly bullish. But the second very bullish news is Fidelity, a $4.2 trillion asset manager. BlackRock is 9 trillion, so it's almost half, but they're of course very well known as well, is potentially either going to buy out Grayscale, which is the current ETF option we have for Bitcoin, and I discussed its pros and cons in the previous video. I will get into that soon, or launch their own spot Bitcoin ETF. This will be incredibly bullish for Bitcoin. So in today's video, I'm going to be updating you guys on this pattern here, my trade, which is on Bitflex. And by the way, guys, if you want to potentially win an Apple Watch, we're doing a giveaway at the moment. All you have to do is sign up using my link to Bitflex and deposit 100 USDT and make at least one trade on their derivatives platform. And you can sign up using the link in the description below to enter the giveaway. And also there is no KYC at the moment. So let's jump into the news, right? But I've mentioned in the previous video that we already have a Bitcoin ETF on Grayscale. However, it's not bringing the institutional adoption that we need to Bitcoin. This is because Grayscale doesn't have a valuable name as BlackRock or Fidelity, and it's more of a closed trust. So when investors want to invest into a Bitcoin ETF and they hear Grayscale, they're like, oh, okay, all right. But if they hear BlackRock, for example, then a lot of institutional clients would be ready to purchase a Bitcoin ETF. So this is incredibly bullish for the sector that Fidelity and BlackRock could be launching ETFs very soon. And I think people fail to understand how bullish it actually is, because if they do end up doing it, it will coincide with the lead running up to the 2024 halving for Bitcoin, which already historically, whenever we saw or leading up to a halving on Bitcoin as an asset, we saw the price majorly surge into a bull market. So Fidelity, BlackRock, halving, these things could take Bitcoin to the next full-fledged bull market. This is absolutely amazing. And we've had a lot of FUD in the past couple of weeks. We've seen exchanges go away from the US. We've seen the SEC, calling a bunch of altcoin securities. So there has been a lot of FUD in the markets. But if Fidelity and BlackRock can bring trillions of dollars, even potentially, who knows, into Bitcoin, that would be remarkable and create new demand in the US space for Bitcoin and bring back that adoption that we need, bring back the volume. Because historically, whenever BlackRock, right, most of the times when they launch an ETF for their assets, like price really surge. For example, they launched an ETF on gold, gold's price surged. Like gold, can you believe it? A very mature asset like gold, after BlackRock launched its ETF, had a surge in price. That just shows the power of BlackRock launching an ETF. And this is why, right, I opened I put a conditional trade on Bitcoin at $26,845 on Bitflex. Make sure to copy your own technical analysis onto your own charts, because I just copied this and put a long position if we see a breakout from this resistance. So I put this position here on Bitflex. If you also want to trade on Bitflex like I do, you can again sign up using the link in the description below. So we have this long conditional set for Bitcoin. And honestly, I'm super excited because I believe, right, if we do end up breaking this line of resistance, we can rally potentially towards the past swing high at $31,000. And then I could keep this trade as a swing long position in case we enter a new bull market by mistake. So that would be absolutely crazy. But guys, remember also what you can do is you can head over to Bybit too if you want to trade Bitcoin, because they have a beautiful DEX called Apex Pro. I will do a dedicated video on this very soon. It's super cool. It's literally connected to your Bybit account, and it's a decentralized version of Bybit. So if you do want to use that, you can again sign up using my link in the description below for Bybit and get a very nice deposit bonus. So make sure to check that out and take advantage of that beautiful deposit bonus. And guys, the final piece of information that I wanted to share with you guys on today's video, which I have not really seen on any YouTube video so far, is that I'm looking at Robinhood's data set, which of course they have to publish some sort of numbers because they are a public company. And I look at their crypto section and it says that on the yearly change, they've lost 68% of volume in crypto. Now, this is super significant. It's significant because Robinhood is where all the degens are, and that, when something goes off in Robinhood, that's when we see a surge in retail investors, a surge in mainstream marketing. And in the US, according to 2021 December data, there is around 11.4 million monthly active users, which is a very bullish number. So it's that Robinhood has lost its traction is not nice, but hopefully, right, this BlackRock ETF, Fidelity ETF, or potentially Fidelity buying out Grayscale will bring back this adoption in the US. And really, it's just incredible hopium, and the thing that's potentially going to save Bitcoin and crypto overall, and the thing that could potentially lead us into a next bull market. So I'm super excited about this news. I hope you are too. If you did enjoy this video, make sure to smash that like button. That would be very much appreciated. But guys, thank you so much for watching. I'm CryptoKid. Take care, everyone, and have a nice day. See you guys. Bye-bye.